Hello ladies and gentlemen, myself Manish and welcome you to a new video of technical Chaharji. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the new update which I've gotten into this Redmi Note 7. What kind of new update it is, what sort of new things we're getting in this Redmi Note 7. Any new feature have been added or just big camera improve or just the general fixes. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video.
So this is my Redmi Note 7 in which I received the latest update, and let me just show you what kind of update it is. For that you need to go to settings over here. Once over settings you need to hop over to about phone. Once about phone, now go to system update. So this is your MIUI version 10.3.6.0 and it is of 587 MB. In this you're getting the optimization update security patch to July 2019. Fixed voltage switch appear in the regions where voltage isn't supported. Contacts couldn't be deleted from SIM card in some cases, now it's been fixed. And introducing customized lock screen clock settings. For that you need to go to which I will show you after the update. New lock screen clock doesn't work with third-party apps, game speed booster and MI cloud. So let me just quickly download this update and let me just show you that what kind of update we're getting it in this Redmi Note 7. So my phone has been updated right now, and let me just hop in over to settings over here and let me just show you in about phone. So over here you can see the MIUI version 10.3.6.1, and let me just quickly show you about the Android security patch. Now it's been updated till July. And one more things which we have got it right now into this global version is for, so no more updates right here. So update settings, what's new? We need to check this lock screen password and advanced. So let us over to settings, then lock screen password, and then to advanced settings. Now I'm into setting. Now we need to go to lock screen and password. Now into advanced settings, which is over here. So in advanced settings we can see the on lock screen clock format, lock screen owner info, unlock with the auspicier and pocket mode. So let us go to lock screen clock format. So here you can see the center, left align, vertical. I'm in clicking it now with the vertical version over here, and let me just go back. And on lock screen, show all notification by high content has already been there. It's already been present, and let me just quickly go to lock screen and show you that how it is. So over here now you can see the lock screen clock has been changed over here. If I want it, I can change it over here, or I can do it on the center. So this is the only update which we're getting it in this Redmi Note 7. Other security patch and the game booster is already been there, but right now I'm not playing any heavy games on my Redmi Note 7.
So you have seen the update which I got into Redmi Note 7. It's just sort of a lock customization screen. Other than that, it's just your MI Cloud Sync and the game booster if you're using it heavy game like PUBG or any other your favorite game which you are playing it right now into this Redmi Note 7. Otherwise, it's just sort of a general update which you're getting in this Redmi Note 7 with your security patch level update and just general bugs and fixes. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I'll see you all in the next one.